Good evening viewers, friends and students. Welcome to the French language class. In today's class, I'll be mainly covering self-introduction in French language, how to introduce yourself in French. In today's class, step by step, I'll be discussing how to introduce yourself in French. And the persons who are visiting France itself or any other French-speaking countries, for the purpose of higher education, and any other official purposes, they will mainly be benefited from this video lesson. Okay, let's start today's topic, self-introduction in French language, how to introduce yourself in French. Thank you. Présentez, vous, fremch, self-introduction. I am assuming a character in this video lesson, Manuel. Manuel is introducing himself in French. Okay. And after getting this video lesson, you can make successfully your self-introduction, that is your self-introduction in French language. In this video lesson, whatever information or data I'll be showing you, you will replace it only with your own information. Okay. Do you understand? I think you understand that your self-introduction will be ready. Okay. Now start. Présentez, vous, français. Please introduce yourself in French. Now Manuel is assuming a imaginary character. I am assuming here. Manuel is introducing himself. Bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, monsieur means good day, good morning, or hello. Sir. Monsieur is sir. Good day, good morning, or hello, sir. Okay. Bonjour, monsieur. In the next line, je m'appelle Manuel. Je m'appelle Manuel. And the surname they can use. Je m'appelle Manuel Laura. My name is Manuel Laurent. Okay. J'ai 26 ans. That means I am 26 years old. Then he is telling about his nationality. Je suis anglais. Je suis anglais. Okay. Bonjour monsieur, je m'appelle Manuel Laura, j'ai 26 ans. Je suis anglais. Up to this, the English meaning is good morning sir, hello sir, my name is Manuel Laurent, I am 26 years old and I am English. Okay. Anglais means English. The man belongs to Great Britain or England. Okay. Now, the Manuel is giving his self-introduction. Now he is looking where he lives. J'habite à Lyon. Depuis 12 ans. J'habite à Lyon depuis 12 ans. That is, I live in Lyon since 2 years. Okay. Now he is giving the introduction regarding the location where he lives. Now he gives the information about the profession. Je suis ingénieur is telling I am engineer. Okay. Je travaille where he works. Je travaille chez Henry Kingsley. This is the name of a company. I work in Henry Kingsley. Is the name of an enterprise or company or corporate house where he is working as an engineer. Okay. Now, suppose we are assuming that this introduction is he is giving to another person whose name is Mr. Lenoir. Okay, Monsieur Lenoir. So Monsieur Lenoir, now Monsieur Lenoir is the person in the opposite side to whom Manuel is speaking. Now he is asking to Lenoir, comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? That means he is asking his name. Comment vous appelez-vous? What is your name? Now, Mr. Lenoir is giving the reply. Je m'appelle M. Lenoir. My name is M. Lenoir. Je suis français. He is telling that I am French. Okay. Now the manual is telling je suis très content de vous rencontrer. Je suis très content de vous rencontrer. I am very much glad to meet you. Okay. Now, the Monsieur Lenoir is telling, merci, au revoir. Merci means thank you, goodbye. Now, the same thing is repeating by Manuel. Merci, au revoir. Okay, this is the end of the self-introduction. This is a short introduction how to introduce yourself in French. Now, in this video lesson, I have already told you, you put your information or your data, your own data, then your self-introduction will be ready. That's all for today's class. Thank you for attending.